children. Welcome to online class. Children, in today's session, we will discuss a new chapter, children. That is water. Water. Children, you know water. What is water? Water is a liquid, children. As or no, children? Like milk and water is one kind of liquid when compared to the milk, children. So, why we are particularly discussing the topic water? Because it is essential for us, children. In our day-to-day life activities, if we want to perform there, we need water. Yes or no, children? First of all, you need water for drinking. You can stay 40 or above 45 days without eating any kind of food, but you cannot live even a single day without consuming water, children. That much essential for us, children. So not only for drinking purpose, we use the water for our day-to-day activities. So what are the day-to-day activities? For cooking food. For cooking food. Second one, washing the clothes. Washing the clothes. Third one, washing the utensils, or we can also call it as cleaning. Washing or cleaning. Cleaning the utensils. What are utensils, children? The dishes, children. Dishes or plates or vessels. So we call them as utensils. So children, cooking food, washing the clothes, washing or cleaning the utensils. You think only for these three purposes. The main thing is drinking water or drinking oxygen. So you know this. But along with this, we are using water for several things, children. What are other several things? You know, agriculture. If we want to farm any of the crop, or if we want to grow any of the crop, what we need, children? We need water. Understand, children? Or if we go to industrial area, we need mainly water, because to mix any kind of item, we need water. Yes or no, children? So you are getting Maaza or Limca or Thumbs Up. Why they are getting mainly the main content is the water itself, children. More than 70 to 80% is water, children. Even though our body contains 70% of water by weight, children. So not regarding these things, children, and fruits and vegetables also. Fruits and vegetables. You know, fruits like watermelon and vegetables like cucumber, they also contains about 95% of water, children. So mainly water is used for our day-to-day activities, for drinking purpose, for domestical use, for industrial use. Okay, children, from where does this water come? From where does this water come? We will say mainly it is coming from rainwater. Rainwater. Yes, absolutely. But there are some other sources, children. What is source? We call it as Adharam in Telugu. Source. You know, if I ask you, who is your source? You will say, my father and my mummy, or my mother or my father, children. Like that. Here, if we want any of the food material that is consumed by water, where does the source? So, some of the sources we observe, children. That is first one, lakes. Second one, ponds. Third one, canals. Fourth one, rivers. Fifth one, wells. Sixth one, tube wells. Seventh one, underground. These are all the sources, children. So children, you might have seen, if you go to village, you find most probably ponds and lakes. But if you come to the village, city, any of the town, you may notice rivers. and wells, tube wells underground. All this you can see at village children. So these are all the sources children. So some water is trapped in a area children. Some water is get collected in a area. So we call them as sources like lakes, ponds, canals, rivers, wells, tube wells and underground children. Okay children, a part of these, if I ask you, children, wait children. You know our earth, this is planet earth. So you know that this earth is covered with 3 parts of water and 1 part of with land children. So 3/4 is water, means it is covered with water, and 1/4 is land children. On it we are living. So you say if that water is essential for us or not. Is it essential? Okay, water is essential, but it is used for us or it is useless for us. It is useless children, because the water which is there or which is covered throughout the entire air is salt water children. It is salt water and it tastes salty. We can drink that water? No, we cannot drink water. We always drink fresh water children. We always drink fresh water. Okay sir, you said that 3/4 water is all salt water, no sir. Then where does the fresh water we get? You know, our fresh water is in the forms of icebergs, glaciers, Himalayan mountains. This all fresh water is in the form of these Himalayan mountains, icebergs, glaciers. What are these? Children, if you want to understand this, you need to take ice cream children from the refrigerator and you heat it. When you heat it, you may find that water, the ice, gets slowly melted and converts into water. Yes or no? So these Himalayan mountains and icebergs and glaciers are in the form of solid. You know solid. What is solid? This board is a solid and this surface is a solid children. So when they are exposed to sun, they start melting children. So that melted is in the form of liquid and we are enjoying that fresh water children. And that fresh water is going to be used by us in to do several day-to-day activities. We discuss regarding water is essential or not and some other sources and a clear detailed definition of water in the previous class. We will discuss later in the next class. Thank you.